Hey guys, Snowy here, and I just wanted to say I went to the post office after school today, and I picked up something that I didn't think was ever going to get shipped. It's what's in this box? Well, it's a Hoover FloorMate hard floor cleaner, just like that one over there. Except that one's a FloorMate Deluxe. I'll be selling that one, and I'm afraid I can't ship. Cut this open with a utility knife. All right, there we go. I don't know. Let's see what we can. The box looks beat up. It flew on a FedEx plane from Oakland, California to Memphis, Tennessee, where the headquarters is. And it was delivered all the way down to Oxford, Mississippi, where I live. All right, take this out. All right, paper. Oh, what's in this box? And they're good. And then we have the actual Doomajigger here. Yep, there it is. That's right. Let's things, take this off. Yep, we got power button right here. Oh, let's just cut the box like you would do with your Bradford White water heater or any water heater. I'm just saying Bradford White because Bradford White's my favorite brand of water heater ever. Set the camera down here. So, yeah, this is the exact same one I would see at Target and Sears, Best Buy, and Walmart back in 2011. In 2012 to 2013. Cut. This box is pretty beat up anyway. Doesn't matter, it's going to be taken to recycle anyway. Alright, we got the FloorMate here. Somebody put a piece of wood in there. Save that for Dad. Do a good woodworking project. Alright! Here it is. Alright, here it is. The Hoover FloorMate hard floor cleaner. Vacuums, washes, and dries. Take this off. We got, come on. All right, just use a utility knife. All right. And they charged me for pickup too. I don't know what the hell's wrong with that. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spin scrub brushes that scrub your floor. All right. Well, the machine looks great. I have, and by the way, my mom had one vacuum, wash, dry. Supposed to like lift up, right? So, and of course, I love the folding handle on this thing because it looks like because it folds just like my Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series right there. And this thing is going to go right next to the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 with look at all these. What a mess. And my Hoover Smart Wash. I don't know what to do with that because I have this now. This Rug Doctor has taken over my house. Cleaning. Here we have your solution tank. I'm very excited about this thing. Nozzle release. Here's your dirty water tank. All right, well, let's plug this thing up and see if it runs. Power switch in the off position. All right, plug it in right here. All right, let's try it out. Motor didn't sound too good. Sounds just like the Hoover Steam Vac I got at the thrift store, the Habitat for Humanity Restore back in August of 2018. Here's what it sounds like. Yeah, it ain't pretty, isn't it? But I can see what I can do about a motor. Make it sound nice. Now let's put it in vacuum. Good. Pick up anything? About wash. Dry. Yeah, I do not like the sound of the motor. Let's see, what else? Let's just grab a cup of water and see if it'll pick up that. Put it onto the... All right, let's do dry. There we go. Yep, picking it up. Hey, the thing works. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this bad boy up and see what we can do.